Watch this video, guys, and write your opinion in the comment section. I'm Catalina the African. Comment section is indeed sweeter than the video itself. Watch the video.
Oh my goodness, I just
It's a bird, it's got it. Look at it go. Oh my God, hey, give it back. Oh, no. That bird took my hair. Lord, what in the world? Hold on. Hello? Girl, a hawk just snatched my wig clean off. I'm on the porch. Oh my God, hey, give it back. Oh, no. That bird took my hair. Lord, what in the world? Hold on. Hello? Girl, a hawk just snatched my wig clean off. I'm on the porch.
Wilfreda John said, if na Africa, we go say witchcraft. if it was in Africa, we say that was witchcraft. Africa, we believe in witchcraft because we can't imagine such a thing can happen. Another one said, what kind of bird is this? Indeed, which kind of bird is this? Which kind of bird can come and grab the what this? It's called what this? I don't know how they call it in English. How can a bird just come and grab it with the beak and take it? This is like witchcraft. Another person said, AI, nobody does that. This one said, this is just AI. Nobody can do that. In fact, it is real. It is real. This is not AI. This is real. If you watch the video critically, this is real. It's not AI. Mariam Makeba said, prettier without hair, my dear, love it. This one said, she's prettier without hair. She's more pretty. She looks more good without hair. Another one said, you look more beautiful. Train Patrick said, you look more beautiful. Another one said, Nana Fatima said, family people don't show their wickedness on wedding day. This one said this, the family people, they have shown their wickedness. They have done this. This is the wickedness of the family people. In Africa, we believe in witchcraft. Loyanga Lobonika said, there is something hiding in this marriage. Someone has a feeling that there is something not good in this marriage, or there is something that is going to happen with this marriage. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and comments. I'm Catalina the African from Uganda. Leave the comment in the comment section, like the page and share to others. I love you all.